Assalamu alaikum viewer. We came here with another informative video, in which we will learn about conditional sentences. This video is for all English learning students who want to learn English grammar in a simple way. So please subscribe my channel and wait for the next valuable video. Thanks. Now come to the video. What are conditional sentences? Conditional sentences are used to describe real or hypothetical results of real or hypothetical situation. They can use many different verb forms. Types of conditional sentences. Types of conditional sentences. A. The zero conditional. B. The first conditional. C. The second conditional. D. The third conditional. The zero conditional. The zero conditional, also called real conditional, refers to things that are always true. It is used to describe the direct result of an action. How zero conditional is formed. If plus present simple, present simple. Example. If you heat water, it boils. Here, in the conditional sentences, we use if. Then, you heat water should be in present simple. It boils, it should also be in present simple. B. The first conditional. The first conditional, also called future real conditional, uses if to describe a realistic action that might lead to future result. How first conditional is formed. If plus present simple. Future simple. Example. If I get a job, I will buy a new car. In this sentence, if is used for condition. I get a job in present simple. I will buy a new car is in future simple. C. The second conditional. The second conditional, also called the unreal conditional, uses if to describe an unlikely or unreal action. The described result is also very unlikely. How second conditional is formed. If past simple. What plus base form. Example. If I learned English, I would visit Europe. Here. In second conditional. The first clause, I learned English, is in past simple. And second clause, I would visit Europe. Here, would plus base form is used. The third conditional. The third conditional, also called the past unreal conditional, is used to describe unreal situation in the past. How third conditional is formed. If had plus past participle. Would have plus past participle. Example. If we had left earlier, we would have caught the train. Conditional with modal verbs. Some modal verbs are can, could, may, might. If I save enough money, I can buy a new car. First conditional. Here, we use can instead of will. If I saved enough money, I could buy a new car. This is second conditional. Here, we use could in place of would. And if I had saved enough money, I could have buy a new car. In third conditional, we use could have in place of would have. First conditional with unless. Unless can be used instead of if. In conditional sentences, unless means if, not. So the future result depends on suggested action not happening. Example. Unless you study hard, you will fail your exam. Formal third conditional. The third conditional can be made more formal by swapping had with the subject and dropping if. Example. If you had attended the meeting, you would have met the manager. Can be changed to formal conditional. That is, had you attended the meeting, you would have met the manager. Now view the summary of the previous lesson. Zero conditional. If plus. Present simple. Present simple. See the examples. 1. If you study hard, you get the position. 2. If you heat ice, it melts. 3. If you heat water, it boils. First conditional. If plus. Present simple. Future simple with will. See the examples. 1. If you study hard, you will get the position. 2. If you heat ice, it will melt. 3. If you heat water, it will boil. Second conditional. If, past simple, would could plus base form. Examples. 1. If you studied hard, you would get the position. 2. If you heated ice, it would melt. 3. If you heated water, it would boil. Third conditional. If. Plus had. Plus past participle. What could plus have plus past participle? Examples. 1. If you had studied hard, you would have got the position. 2. If you had heated ice, it would have melted. 3. If you had heated water, it would have boiled. Thanks for watching.